Good morning, all. Please confirm whether you can see my screen and you can hear my voice or not. In the chat box, you can write yes or no. Okay, great. So today we'll discuss about a new technology, a new innovation in geology, or you can say core photography or drill hole images. So the solution name is Imago. Maybe you already heard about this technology or you may not. So today we'll start from the scratch. So Imago, as its name suggests, it's all about the images. So what is Imago? Imago is a portrait photography and high performance viewing platform. It basically helps mining companies to take better quality images, which make it easy for geologists to take better decision during their modeling and interpretation work by direct viewing the drilling images or drill core images at the time of modeling and interpretation in any kind of software or any time. So how Imago works and what is actual Imago consist of, I will disclose one by one. So Imago is basically composed of two major components. One is Imago Capture. Imago Capture is basically a desktop-based application which will allow you to take photographs from the code trace from your code sets. So how it will work, I will show you. So this is basically a desktop application which you could install in your desktop, in your PC, in your tablet. And the second component is Imago web portal. After taking the photographs, after making minimum corrections, you can bring those photos in the web portal. It is a login based platform where all your images will be directly go to the cloud in the Imago server, and from there you can access your image and take better decision. So what is the actual architecture or how it will completely work? This is the core set or drill rig. You may uh, keep your code trace in any other location also. So this is your source location. This is code set, and here Imago. What Imago will do is, first thing Imago will do is Imago will suggest you how to take better quality photographs with no data error and images which are valuable. In fact, very much important to take better decision in geological aspect or for mining industry. So a DSLR camera is required. So a DSLR camera will be tethered to your computer, to your PC or tablet, whatever you are using, directly tethered with USB cable. And then you can use the Imago capture, as I have already mentioned, your desktop application. And from the capture, when you will upload, after taking the photographs, when you will upload, it will directly go to the Imago web portal. This is the web portal, and from here you can analyze those photos. You can bring other geoscientific images along with that, and you can finally interpret and plan your go forward for your mine planning. So if you are already using any geoscientific solution or any products like Leapfrog, Datamine, or Geosoft Target, or any other, you can bring those data and bring that Imago screen along with the software screen. You can synchronize those screens and synchronize those software without any additional cost or additional effort. And finally, you can bring or you can share those images or your views to your geologists, to your team, and ultimately you can share all your views or insights to your supervisor or higher authority, or you may share the details with your clients also. So that is how Imago will work. Now, how the capture will work, how you should capture the photographs. So this is some of the examples where we have taken some pictures in the course sets. So this is one way. This is not the ultimate way or not the only way to take the photographs. This is the one of the way where you can see the camera has been fixed with a scale, with a stand, and they are taking the pictures with a certain height. So you have to keep in mind that whenever you are using Imago or whenever you are taking the photographs, because it's all about the photographs, in future you will use those photographs only instead of the code trays, because the code tray viewing, direct viewing of code trays are very much costly, or it includes some field risk also. So in some cases, some of the companies has been seized the viewing of samples also. So time in course set is already costly and often handled by the team members with less experience, and for that reason, it's all about viewing the platform instantly whenever you require those photographs, or whenever you require those viewing, direct viewing. So that is why the Imago has came into the picture. So you have to very conscious during taking the photograph. So this is one way by which you can take the photographs by fixing a stand and moving the portraits one by one. This is the one way. The second way is that here we have done a small project, or you can say the pilot project in Hindustan Zinc Limited, Udaipur, where we have our team will has went to their course set, and we have fixed a stand, a particular stand. You can see there is a stand. You can fix your DSLR camera over there, and you can. I think you may all see that there is a cable, USB cable is there, which is tethered with this laptop. And here we have opened the Imago capture, and one by one we took the photographs. So this is another way. Now, if you are already using, or you have any lab and you are interested in taking the chip photography, code chips photography, you can set up your camera with a smaller stand, and you can use those camera to take chip photographs. Along with that, if you have a good quality camera with in your mobile phone also, you can use your mobile phone as a camera, as a source of the capture, and you can set your camera in a stand like this, and you can take the chip photographs like this. So this is up to you. You can take the images in several ways, but you have to keep in mind, you have to always you have to keep the same distance. You have to maintain the height for every code trace, so that your images will be error free. So how the catalog works after capturing the photograph from here, when we have clicked the capture, it will directly go to the capture platform. So this is the desktop based application. This platform will look like this. I will show you in the live capture platform also. This is a screenshot of that. So this is the Imago capture, where your code tray will come like this, and here automatic row and a rectangle box will come, where you can adjust your codes width by clicking here, and you can fix the rows, or you can move the rows accordingly. And whenever you feel that is okay, this is perfect for my code photograph, then you can click next, or you can click upload. So whenever you click next, or you can click OK from here, it will directly go to the next window, that is Imago gallery. So in Imago gallery, the captured portraits photography will come like this. Accordingly, the as per the depth, 0 to 5, 5 to 10, or 10 to 15. These are the examples. So as per your data, or as per your portrait photographs, you can adjust the depths also. So it will come here. And whenever you think that my code photographs has been transferred from Imago capture to Imago gallery, you can directly click upload, and it will directly go to the web portal. So how web portal looks like? This is the web portal. After uploading the portrait photographs from Imago capture, it will come like this. Here you can see there are several portrait photographs are there. These are all sample photographs. So it may have some errors you may see. So the core photographs will come like this, and whenever you will click on the downhole image, sorry, in the drill core image, in the drill core view, it will give you this type of view where you can see the portrait has placed accordingly as per their depths. And whenever you click on the downhole, you will get your course in the downhole view, so that you can connect or you can relate these things, how your drilling operation occur and how the cores are situated beneath the earth. So as per their depth, you can adjust, you can scroll down, you can check, you can zoom in, zoom out. So as per your requirement, you can play with your core images. So this is the features of catalog, as I am mentioning. So this is not only the portrait photographs, it's all about the geoscientific images. If you have any drill hole images with you, if you have any televiewer image, if you have any logging image with you, you can bring those images along with the portrait images over here in this same platform without changing the platform, and you can accordingly take those photographs side by side, and you can take better decision. So this is how you can zoom in the images. The image quality will be very good, so that you can zoom in a certain level, so that you can take better decision. You can have the exact view as you are viewing in the core set, the portrait. So these are the some example where the cheap photograph has been taken, and from the cheap photographs it is showing that from the uh, core, you can identify the this type of element is there. Okay, this type of element is there, so we should focus on that element or on that particular core of that depth. So this is how Imago will help you out to take better decisions. Apart from that, you can tag your images as per the location of drilling. You can prepare certain map. You can uh, prepare this type of maps where you can tag the portrait photography along with its location, and you can share with your teammates or your end user, so that this is the portrait photograph, and we have collected or we have drilled in that location, and these photographs are look like this it has this type of course. You can share all this information with your team members or with your end user. Apart from this, the integration part is very important, as I have briefly mentioned in initial slides of my presentation. That is, Imago is very well connected, or is ready to connect with various geoscientific software which is already established in the market. Maybe you are currently using in geoscientific software like Leapfrog or GoCAD or Geosoft Target or Datamine, whatever. Or you may use some sort of database management system in your organization, whether it is Acquire, whether it is other deposit or any other database management system. You can link those database management system along with this software with Imago without any extra effort or any additional cost to take the better decision from your core. So this is some of the screenshot of integration. You can see this is the target screen, and this is Imago. When we have linked, when we have synchronized the software with the Imago platform, it is giving such view where whenever you click in this window or in target window, it will directly take you to that location or to that depth, so that you can directly have a view. Okay, in that location I have this type of code. You can zoom in or zoom out, as I have already mentioned. Same goes for some other platform. If you are using any other software, it goes the same way I have mentioned in for target. So I'll show you a small video, so that you'll be able to see how it actually works. So you may see that how the integration part is so much easy. With a few clicks in your system, you can sync the Imago platform with your existing geoscientific platform. So now we'll move forward, and we will see that this is the one sort of integration. If you are already using Leapfrog, so you can sync the Leapfrog platform with Imago. But here I would like to mention one more thing, that Imago has the capability of color extraction. It is automatically extracted from the core images, not manually done. This phenomena has not been done manually. The Imago itself suggests you and extract the core colors from its code tray, and it will mention, or it will prepare such a model where you can see the best applicable color is already there along with your codes. So this is the manual color. You may change those color later on. So these are additional feature along with the previously mentioned feature in Imago. So this is, I have already mentioned the integration with database management system. If you are using Aqua or Deposit or any other system, you can link your platform with this platform, this Imago platform, and you can bring your data accordingly in this platform. So this integration part is very much easy. Now the other opportunities includes not only for the code tray photographs. If you have any map, if you have any televiewer images, if you are using any hyperspectral image, if you have any underground face image, mine face image, or any sample or log report, you can bring those images in the platform, and you can keep it aside, side by side, and take the better decision along with your code tray photographs. So this is the example of hyperspectral images. This is, if you have hyperspectral images with you, you can bring those images in Imago platform. And this is the additional feature, I should tell you, this is the additional feature of Imago, which uses the machine learning technology. And using those machine learning technology and using your input hyperspectral images, it will directly give you certain target areas or target points where you should focus. It will suggest you some target point. Okay, it has some potential of such material or such elements. So you may look into it. So it will give you separate colors for that, and you may zoom in and take your decision whether this is of your work or not. So this is these are all our additional feature of Imago. Similarly, if you have televiewer images, you can bring those images in this platform. And I have already mentioned, when I am mentioning the integration part with Leapfrog, that Imago has the capability of color extraction. It can extract the color from your core images or your from cheap images, and it will prepare a direct model or direct section for you with the real colors. These are the underground mine faces. It will capture, it will take the images, and it will suggest you, or it will give you such ultimate output image that you can see the different stages of mines, whether it is of your use or not. You should take the decision, but Imago platform will help you to take better decisions. So here is another point or another feature of Imago. Let's say your field geologist is already in the field, and he or she has found something which is interesting, and he or she is interested in sharing that information with your team, which is seated in head office or any other location. So he or she can take his or her mobile phone, and take the picture of the core from the rigs, and he or she can share with their team that I have found this type of material, this type of elements during my drilling operation, or during the field, and he can share with the location the code images with the team, and a team who is seated in a remote location or in other location, he can match with his or her portrait photographs and take or better decision, or he or she can instruct his field geologist to for further steps. So this is one of the major and important add-on from Imago. The other opportunities includes the notes and measurements. Maybe during your interpretation work you have found something in your code that okay, this may be the gold particle, this may be the gold veins you have found, and you can keep a note of that, so that whenever you will upload your note, your team will be updated with your observation, and they can share their views or their observation as well. This is the multiple data sets. I have repeatedly mentioned that not only the core photographs, Imago has the capability to bring multiple data sets in a single platform, where you can bring the images of location, maps, codes, and chips, along with the televiewer or drill hole images or any log file. So it will allow you to bring multiple data sets in a single platform without changing the platform. So now the next part is the mobile part. Not only the desktop application, Imago is also give you the opportunity to install Imago mobile app in your mobile phone, whether you are using any Apple phone with iOS or any normal Android phone. You can install those apps in the Play Store or App Store. And then you can use your mobile phone as a source of capture, where you can take the location pictures, where you can take the sample pictures, and maybe there is a constraint that whenever you are visiting your field, there may be low network or there is no network. At that time, Imago will store the captured photographs in your mobile device, in your mobile folder, and whenever your phone get internet, it will automatically sync with your Imago web portal, and it will be shared with your teammates. So in the if we conclude, or you can say if we summarize the contribution of Imago, that means Imago has something to add in your steps of operation. If you are a mining company or a exploration company, whether you are in exploration stage, your resource definition stage, or in grade control stage, Imago has something to add to add values in your interpretation and modeling work. So Imago is providing you the application in desktop, in mobile, and it will give you the opportunity to take the core photographs and cheap photographs, so that you can take the best decision from your already taken images or already drilled codes. So if we summarize the values of Imago, it will definitely save your time. It will improve the quality of your decision and your quality of your work. It will give you the access of the new technology, where you can bring this technology with your existing technology. If you are using any software sort of thing, you can bring those images or bring this technology along with your already existing technology. And the workflow integration include it will suggest you a smooth workflow, so that after drilling work, you don't need to spend a course of rupees, billions of rupees, to maintain your course time to time, year and years. If you are taking Imago, if you are taking the capture quality photographs, you can bring those images at your fingertip, and whenever you require, without visiting any remote location or any additional cost, or without taking any additional risk, you can use those images as a live view of your course and during your interpretation and modeling work. So now the add-on part is the machine learning. This is the most advanced part. Imago is developing regularly, you can say, day by day, and it has bring the machine learning technology along with the already mentioned features, so that it will help you out by identifying elements or particles, or you can say the minerals from the cores without investing much time or without investing much effort. It will do for you automatically by applying its machine learning technology. So how it works, I will again show a small clip. Just have a look and then we will again continue. So here you can see you have only bring those portrait photographs, and from that photographs it is already marked some points or some areas, or you can say some small polygons, so that you can look into it and you can take decision that whether those points are of your interest or not. So this is how machine learning technology will work along with the mentioned technology. These are some of our customer experience who are already using Imago satisfactorily, and they are happy with the technology. Here is the some core set of Longford Exploration Services Limited, who have used their platform like this, and who have set it up their platform to take port photographs like this. They have used the tablet instead of the PC as per their requirement, and they have took pictures and make use of it. And here another photograph from Evaluation Mining situated in Australia, who have is actually taking the chief photographs, and he's using his tab instead of any laptop or any PC, and he is taking his decision based on the photographs. So here the current developments, as I have already mentioned, that Imago is regularly developing and adding the features into its platform. So this is the automated core condition segmentation via machine learning. When you are bringing your portraits or portrait photographs in the platform, and based on your input images, it is automatically giving you the output with segmentation. So this is another add-on from Imago. This is the recent developments from the, Imago. This is how you can bring the televiewer images, your hyperspectral images accordingly along with your portrait images. And this has been repeatedly mentioned during this session that you can use this platform to bring your geoscientific images. Not only the single image, you can have a different view, different core photographs as per their depth, and you can bring those images in a single platform without changing the platform. You can make placed it side by side, and you can view as per your requirement to take final decision from your core. So this is how the mobile will work. This is the Imago as mobile app. In the mobile app also, you will have all these opportunities as you have in the desktop application. So if you are using any Android or any iOS mobile phone, just go to Play Store or App Store and install this Imago Live app, and take all the features and all the advantages from it. So now I will directly go into the live example, or you can say the live platform, where you can, I will try to show you how it's actually work. So just a second. So this is the Imago capture platform. As I have already shown you the screenshot, this is a one updated version with very good black theme. This is Imago capture platform. It will be installed in your system. This is the app desktop-based application you can directly install, and I will share a demo account with you so that you can have a look. And without any cost, additional cost, the demo account will be like the login ID will be Imago demo 1, and the password is same. So you can note that information. We can mention in the chat box also. I will mention in the chat box also. So this is the login ID. By using your credential, you will have this type of view where you can click the Imago capture, where we will capture some sort of photographs. I can show you some photographs. This is maybe you can see some portrait photographs of any location. For showing purpose, means to show you the process, I will bring one or two of them. So this is a normal portrait photograph. You can see. It's a normal photograph. You can see these are the photographs. But just have a look at that part where we have mentioned the portrait photograph name as the location, borole ID, and its start and end depth. You have to mention that images. If you have already took images, means you have already have your good quality of images in your gallery or in your archive directory, you can use those images. If only if the image quality is very good, in that case only. So for using those already taken images, you can change the file name to this, or if you are taking any live picture, then no need to follow this process. You will have the opportunity to put all your information in this platform. So we'll bring this portrait images in this platform by using this capture. So I will take here in the Imago capture. This is Imago gallery. So I'm importing one image from here. Let's say I'm taking the images from here, add image. So I'm taking this image. Okay, this is already been imported. That is why it is giving some error. I'm taking another images. This is C. This is 0 to 5, 5 to 10, and let's say I'm taking another image. This is 10 to 50. So this is how your image will come like this, one by one. And after bringing those images, you can check, or you can upload those images. So whenever you will click upload, it will directly go to your Imago web portal. So how Imago web portal looks like, I will show you. I am minimizing this one. So I am bringing this web portal. I have shown you the capture platform, and now I am showing you the web portal. So this is how the web portal looks like. It will take your credential and it will give you the view. Give the view. So let's say I have taken one folder. This is my one project, the Firefly resource development, and I am taking the drilling images. Let's say I'm from drilling course. I am taking the core boxes. Sorry, this is the chip. Not interested in chip. So this is drilling core. This is core boxes. So here it will give you what are the code boxes you have uploaded. So let's say this is AA222, and these are all the sample names. So by clicking here, you will have the code review over here. This is the code review. This is the normal view you will have. This is the code review. You can zoom in or zoom out. You can bring those as per your requirement, and you can see there is a depth is already mentioned over here. The depths, and those photographs are good enough to zoom in so that you can take a good quality of picture and take the better decision from the picture only or the images only. So these are already taken images. So not only that, you can adjust those images accordingly with your with its height of the core. You can click here. This is the option. When you will click here, it will adjust it accordingly by its depth. So this is how it will work. Now you can you may be interested in seeing the downhole view, as I have already mentioned during my presentation. So let's try the downhole view. This is the downhole view. Whenever I will click the downhole view, it will come. The downhole view has came. Now we need to zoom in to check how our pores are situated in the during my drilling operation as per their depth. So this is how you can take your drilling operation or pore images like this. So this is how it will work. So not only this portrait photograph or any downhole image, you can keep your or bring your televiewer image, your drill hole file, your log file side by side, and you can take your decision based on your data or based on your core photographs. So for now, this is all from our side. So if you have any question or any doubt or any suggestion, you can unmute yourself. Now I will give you the opportunity to unmute yourself, or you can use the chat box also as per your requirement, and you can make or raise your question. So yeah, now you can able to unmute yourself. So if you have any question, you can unmute or you can write in the chat box. And from our team, Mr. Mank has already shared the feedback form. Please fill the feedback form. You can make your question, or if you have any particular suggestion or any doubt with this product or this presentation, you can mention those in the feedback form also, so that we can directly have your contact and we'll get in touch in person and give you the solution accordingly. So if you have any question, just unmute yourself or you can write in the chat box.
Hello, Mr. Abhishek.
Yes,
I'm Shivani.
Yes,
Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Hello?
I can hear you, ma'am.
Yeah, actually I just want to know कि क्या ये हम सिर्फ ड्रिलिंग के लिए ही ले सकते हैं या फिर जियोलॉजिकल मैपिंग के लिए भी इस इमेज को हम यूज कर सकते हैं इमेगो ऐप को?
So I think with me, Mr. Dhruv Jyoti Nath is there. He is experienced geologist and he will answer your question.
Yeah, hello Shivani.
Okay.
First of all, I think you can use it for mapping as well. But as Abhishek has shown you one image where you can take photographs and tag it for that location. तो कर सकते हैं, and we can share it with the team members and can discuss or आपके geological जो सर्वे पॉइंट्स हैं या मैपिंग पॉइंट्स हैं वहाँ के साथ उसके साथ आप इसको टैग कर सकते हैं. टैग
ओके. बट इसमें क्या जब हम वो फोटोग्राफ वगैरह लेंगे तो उसमें हमारे को लैट लॉन्ग देगा या फिर बस खाली जस्ट इंफॉर्मेशन कि हमने एक जैसे फोटोग्राफ क्लिक की दैट्स इट?
नहीं, कोऑर्डिनेट्स आएंगे बिकॉज
Okay.
वो टैग होता है ना, तो इट विल गिव यू.
Okay, thank you.
Any other question from anybody? You can unmute or you can write in the chat box also. Please bring those feedback, your valuable feedback in the feedback form so that we can have a look and we can work on it. And one more thing, you can keep visiting our website that is mentioned here, www.datacode.com. So to have views of more exciting technologies or cutting edge technologies, we are organizing the webinars in regular basis in every Saturday. So in coming 14th of August, we have our second webinar of our theme on partners in progress. Those are the exclusive programs for the geoscientists, or you can say the students or professionals from geoscience background who are interested in seeing the experience or case studies from established professionals in the industry. So Mr. Nosad Haq will going to present you and give you a talk on rare earth elements. So this is our second webinar under the banner of Partners in Progress, apart from our regular webinar. So we will have this type of webinar in once in every month. So keep visiting our website to check the details schedule of this webinars which we are organizing for you. So those are all free of cost to give you the maximum knowledge what we could. So thank you. I think there is no such questions as of now. So if you found any doubt or any question after closing the session, you can always contact us. You can mail us. You can contact us via telephone, or you can mention your requirements in the feedback form also. We'll directly contact you, and we'll discuss your concern. So thank you for joining today, and all the best for your future, and stay safe. So thank you. Now I'm closing the session. Thank you for joining.